Hello everybody, welcome back to TechJams. In today's video, I will show you how to permanently turn off live photos on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the setting app and then scroll down and tap camera. Then tap preserve settings and turn on, and here scroll down and turn on the toggle next to live photo. And there is one more step that you have to do is to open the camera app, and if you don't see the live photo icon, then tap the 6 dot button at the top or at the bottom of your screen. Then tap the live photo icon to turn it off, and that's it. From now on, your iPhone will remember this setting and live photos will stay turned off until you turn them back on. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to TechSam for more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.